I have here some leg. Okay, they're both HDMI, these two things. I think this is the meat. This is how my hammock is looking. So it did not take too long for me to set it up, but this one really caught my eye. I really wish and hope that we will have a brighter 2021. Hey everyone, how are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing amazing. Good afternoon. I am starting this vlog very late today. It is 3 p.m. right now. Well, we just arrived from the city. I got a few things that is very important. I was really wanting to receive this thing before New Year so that we could already watch movie in the TV, and finally it's here. But I am just like very hungry. Actually, we are currently having some snacks. We're having banana cue. So good. Yeah. The thing that I got, I actually ordered this one online. Well, a lot of you guys told me to order this thing, Roku Premiere. I ordered this about December 20 from one seller, and then she chatted me and said that they ran out, which is such a bummer because I was really hoping to receive it on Christmas Day. So I canceled that, and then I had to reorder on the 23rd, I think, and finally it's here. Here it is. It literally arrived today, so I'm so super happy. We are going to try to test this out as well, if we can already watch myself like YouTube on the TV. One of my friend, her name is Ina. She also has a YouTube channel, so she recommended this to me. This is called Roku Premiere, and some of you guys told me as well the exact same things. You can stream like Netflix, Disney, Apple TV, Pandora, CBS, a lot. So this is pretty awesome. As you guys can remember, I have shared it to you that it is so crazy that my family was watching in this really small iPad. So I'm so happy that you guys recommended this to me. So I am here now in front of the TV, and I have like the Roku Premiere here. I've already opened it up. By the way, if some of you guys would like to ask how much did it cost for me to buy the Roku Premiere, this is 2,500 peso. So that is about 50 US dollars. Plug into TV already. So step one, we have to connect to the TV, the Roku, and then we have here the HDMI, I think. Good luck to me. Okay, they're both HDMI, these two things. Try to connect it here, and then connect the other HDMI to the TV. Step two, we have to connect to power. Oh, it's not connecting. There you go. And then it's got a charger here. I think you have to always like connect it to power. So good thing we have like two plugs here. We are on this step 4, power on TV and select input. Okay, then we have to select input. Where's that? Source, I think. Okay guys, so finally we figured it out. I actually put the HDMI at the back of the TV, which is the second one, so I need to select HDMI 2. Earlier I selected HDMI 1, that's why it's not coming up. So right now it says Roku, and we are going to choose English, of course. Click OK. Wireless scan, looking for wireless networks. Okay, there you go. We have the PLDT. We click OK. And then we have to put the password. Alright guys, so finally after a few minutes, actually to be honest, the steps on how to set up the Roku Premiere is actually very easy. It did not take too long for me to set it up, but it has been finished already, and you need to create a Roku Premiere account online, and then you have to sign in, put your details in there, and also you need to add like a payment method so that if in any case you would like to purchase any application that you would add in your channel, then you can do so. So I just pretty much added my PayPal, and yeah. So as you guys can see, I'm already in the TV, guys. Look at that. I am looking at myself on the TV, and that's so surreal. That's so crazy. I'm super happy, to be honest. I cannot believe it. Look at her. She's on TV. Shucks. It's so crazy how advanced the technology nowadays. Like, I can already put myself in TV. Unfortunately though, Roku I think is not really available here in the Philippines. When I tried to download the app, which is really cool, so that whatever you look at in your phone in the app, you can easily connect it or transfer it here in the TV. It's not possible because I think if you're in the Philippines, you cannot download it yet. So I hope Roku will have an update for that. But anyway, for now, we already have it. So I've added YouTube, I have Netflix as well. So yeah, my iPad will be put into rest now. The next thing I'm going to show you guys now is that I do have a hammock. So we're gonna try to install it now. So let's go. Okay, the next thing that I got, guys, is this. I'm super excited for this. I went to Carbon alone, which I don't really go there alone, but I had to because I really wanted to get a hammock because I think it will add up really good here in the terrace area. So I have this really big hammock. This hammock, if you guys are asking, the size of this is medium. They have a really large one, which is like, I think a family can fit in one hammock. And this one is 1,000 pesos, so that is about 20 US dollars. So it's got some tassels. Actually, it's really good. It's nice. I love the color as well. They have like different colors in there. And they have like pink, blue, but this one really caught my eye. That was crazy. Okay, so this is the hammock, guys. Look how pretty that is. So I'm gonna put this here in the terrace. So we have to move this tank so that it will be like this. Whoa, it's too short. So we're still trying to figure out how to put the hammock in. We are trying to put a nail in here. Guys, after 4 people trying to do it, it has been installed. So this is how my hammock is looking. So I can already like lay down in here during an afternoon nap. Okay, we're gonna try to test it. Hopefully I'm not gonna fall. Oh! I'm so scared. Okay. Ta-da! Oh my god. This is the life. Shucks. I have a freaking hammock in my province house, guys. Oh, this is so nice. It's so comfy. Well, I am feeling really cozy here in this hammock. I love it so much. It is a good buy, I would say, because I really wanted to just like sit around here in the terrace, and now I can already do it. Hello everyone, so it is the next day now, and we have just arrived from the city. I was in the city for 2 consecutive days, and this time I need to grab some groceries since I ran out of grocery already. So I have here 2 boxes of grocery stuff. I'm gonna be showing it to you guys. It's going to be a grocery haul. Now in the next 2 days, it's going to be New Year. So Happy New Year to each and every one of you. Have a prosperous New Year, guys. I really wish and hope that we will have a brighter 2021 since 2020 is crazy. It's not the most ideal year for everybody, that's for sure. Some of these stuff I'm gonna prepare for this coming new year, and some will be my food for like daily. Okay, so first we have here this like cupcakes. I love cupcakes. Scarlett loves it as well. So I have 2 packs of fudgy bar. And then I have here some paper cups because this coming new year, some of my relatives will be here. So since we don't have a lot of water, we're gonna be using some paper cups. I have here banana cake because you guys know it has been a while that I was not able to eat banana cake, and this is absolutely my favorite one. So yeah, I got this. We're gonna prepare this for New Year as well. I have here, this one is my favorite as well. This is a cheesecake. This is like super yummy, lemon square cheesecake. I have here some star margarine. This is not for me, for my sister. It's so all over the place. I have here 2 cream because we're gonna be making buko salad for New Year as well. And then I have here Wata Tops, another cupcake. I definitely have a sweet tooth, guys. So yeah, I have another 2 cupcakes. And then I have here some different flavor of tikoy. So tikoy is one of the things that you have to prepare. Like here in the Philippines, we normally prepare tikoy or something sticky for New Year. So I have here mango tikoy, ube tikoy, and yeah. So I got like, I don't know, like 6 tikoy, I think.
Where's
so
the
yeah.
green one?
I think I have pandan tikoy as well, but I cannot find it. Anyway, yeah, we got some tikoy. There you go. And then the next thing is I have here some masi or masi. So yeah, we are going to prepare this as well for New Year. This is a good one. There you go. And then I have here some chocolates. Now for New Year, like here in the Philippines, we normally like prepare something sweet so that we will have a sweet year. So we have here some chocolates. And then we have here some seasoning. And then I have here some chili flakes. I got 3 packs of chili flakes. This is really good if we're going to cook something spicy. This is what I would normally like put in. And then I have here some black whole pepper corn, 2 packs as well. And then I have here another, I have here some crinkles. I think this is the meat. Oh, that's so freaking heavy. Okay, so this one is, wait, I have here some shrimp. So a kilo of shrimp in Metro, guys, is 450 pesos. It's freaking expensive. But if you're going to go to Carbon, I think it's just gonna cost you 300 pesos per kilo. So since we went to Metro, I just like got it from there. It's not 1 kilo, I only got 3/4. So this is around 371 peso. Yeah, I'm actually tired of like eating meat and chicken, so I want something different. So for New Year, we will have some shrimp. And then I'll just put it here. And then I have here some ground pork. And then what else? I have here some chicken. I have some chicken, and also the most exciting part is I have here some leg. Because we are gonna be making crispy pata. So yeah, I got here 1 leg. That's for crispy pata. I have already tried making crispy pata already before, and it was actually really good. So yeah, I'm gonna be making that for New Year as well. Next, I have here some paper plates because again, so that we don't need to wash dishes, so we got that. Then we have here more chocolates. We have here some coffee for Papa. And then we have here some noodles. Noodles? Yeah. And then we have here, yeah, this is what I'm talking about. We have here another tikoy. This is the pandan tikoy. We got 2 packs as well. And then here, more noodles. I have here some instant coffee for Papa as well. And then I have here like disposable spoon and fork. We're gonna be using that for New Year. We have here some Jelly Ace. This is for Scarlett. A lot of Jelly Ace. Then we have here some Chucky. This is Scarlett's favorite drink. She always like asks for Chucky, guys. So we got her 5 Chucky as well. And then we have here, this is my favorite biscuit. This is Sky Flakes. This is Fit with omega-3. This is really good. And then we have here some Oreo, another biscuit. I felt like I have a lot of biscuit. And then I have here another crinkles. Actually, this is Tom's favorite crinkle. And then we have here 1 liter of oil over there. And then next we have here another coffee. This is for my sister. And then we have here brown sugar. And then we have here, this is my favorite. This is for me. This is the Gatorade Ion. Yeah, the white one. This is like the best, guys. You should try it. Not the blue one, not the orange one, but try the white one. This is the best. Okay, and the next one is, since it's the New Year, guys, we have here some wine because of course we need to celebrate a new year. We will welcome it with a red wine. So we have a wine. And then we have here some vinegar. We have some soy sauce. Now, since we're gonna do some buko salad, we're gonna put some kaong. And then we have here nata de coco. This is good as well. And we have here some canned goods. So we have carne norte, tuna, corned beef, and then we have here condensed milk. So we have condensed milk. Actually, it's quite a lot. I'm gonna be sharing with you guys how much did I pay for everything as well. We have here more canned goods and then more condensed milk for our salad. over here. And then last, no, this is not the last, but this is the most expensive one that I got from everything. This is like 1,000 peso, 20 US. This is the Kirkland almond chocolate. This is milk chocolate, guys, and this is my favorite. This is really good. It's got like almond inside of the chocolate, and yeah, it is absolutely amazing. I got that. And then we have here more. We have here sliced bread. We got 2 loaves of sliced bread, actually, one for me, one for my sister as well. We have here another cheesecake, and then another sliced bread over here, and then we have here some brownie. This is good. And then I also got here a cake pan. This, because since I already have an oven, I'm gonna try to make a banana cake, since banana cake is my favorite. And then we have here another tikoy, the pandan one. And then last is we have here slipper. This is for the toilet slipper. Alright, so yeah, there you go, guys. That's actually so much. The total amount that I was able to pay, guys, for this, look at the receipt. It's freaking long. It is, where is it? It is 5,579 pesos. So if we're gonna convert that, that's 100 US dollars. Anyway, guys, so that's gonna be the end of the vlog. I'm gonna go ahead and end it here. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm quite happy that we already have a not smart but now smart TV. Happy for that. And also here I have a new hammock. I've been like sitting down in here and it was amazing. Also, we got the groceries for New Year. We are welcoming New Year with a lot of groceries, a lot of food for prosperity and all. And also I'm going to be sharing with you guys how do we celebrate New Year here in the province. I'm also gonna be preparing some food for the fam bam and some fruits as well. We have a traditional thing here in the Philippines where in a New Year you are going to prepare 13 different kinds of fruits. So I'm gonna be sharing that to you guys later on. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Please subscribe to my channel, and as always, I will see you guys on my next one. Don't forget to smile and be happy. Bye.